Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by choosing a single subject and cropping tight so every pixel counts. Open your editor, set a small canvas like 32x32 or 64x64, and enable the grid. This forces clarity. Once done, resize the original down using nearest neighbor to preserve hard edges, then immediately reduce to a limited palette of 8 to 32 colors so color decisions become manageable. Make sure to save a copy before edits. You still need the full resolution reference for shading choices. Once you have the reduced image, you refine it by cleaning stray pixels and reinforcing silhouettes with 1-pixel outlines so the shape reads at small scales. You then cluster tones. Pick 2 to 4 shades per material and place highlights and shadows deliberately to imply volume. Use controlled dithering or single-pixel anti-aliasing sparingly to transition values without blurring. Make sure to test the image zoomed to 100% and at native size frequently so you see how individual pixels contribute to the overall read. You finish by exporting a clean PNG at the native pixel resolution, and where supported, keep the indexed palette so file size and color integrity stay intact. When you need larger versions, scale only with nearest neighbor and use integer multiples like 2 or 4 times to avoid artifacts. Save a layered or PSD copy for future edits. If the result looks fuzzy, check that interpolation was off, confirm palette limits, and inspect for stray semi-transparent pixels that introduce blur. Fix those pixels and re-export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.